Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your game being way too bright on Hollow Knight Silksong. Let's begin! So, as you can see, and even in the caves, this is very bright, though technically it does give you the ability to fully navigate into the world itself, but the moment we step outside, you can just see how bright it is. So, in order to lower the brightness, you want to enter your pause menu and then head into the options. Now, simply navigate into video, and under frame rate cap and scale, we should see brightness. You can simply click it, and you'll notice that we have actually brightness 100%. Now this shouldn't be an issue because by default, set to it, and we have it set to 100, which is probably the best ratio. But if you have it set to something like this, you want to simply lower it down, or even better, you can lower it down below 100%, even to such levels. But as I said before, 100% is the default, and now we can experience the game just like the game devs intended. And by game names, of course, I mean the lovely Team Cherry. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.